Welcome to this short tutorial video on sharing job sheets. There are 3 options available within a job record allowing you to share a job sheet with your customer. Let's go through the available options. When you're viewing a job, you have access to 3 action buttons: print, download and email. Clicking on any of these buttons will generate the default job sheet template configured within your company settings or the default job sheet template linked to the site or customer record. If you click on the drop-down arrow to the right of any of those buttons, you can manually select the template from the list if required. Clicking on the print button will open a new web browser tab with a PDF preview of the job sheet. You can select options to download or print from the top right of this preview screen. Clicking on the download button will generate the PDF and save the file in your default downloads location based on your web browser settings. In this example, the default Google Chrome browser downloads bar is displayed at the bottom of the screen. You can drag and drop this PDF into an email if required. Clicking on the email button will open the email job sheet window. Within this window you can specify the recipients of the email and update the subject and body text if required. Simply click on the send button to send the email with the PDF job sheet attached. You'll be able to view the emails sent by clicking history, then outbound emails. That completes the tutorial for sharing job sheets. Thanks for watching.